Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share a story from my practice with you. It's something that happens quite often, and my vlog might give the impression that all procedures go smoothly, and people are never afraid, but unfortunately, that's not the case. I'll never forget the day Sarah walked into my dental clinic. Her face was a mix of fear and determination, and her trembling hands clutched the armrest of the chair as if for dear life. She was the epitome of dental anxiety. Sarah had battled this fear for years, and the thought of even a simple dental procedure would send her into a panic. But on that day, something had changed. She had mustered the courage to make an appointment with me. As I began the procedure, I could see the anxiety in her eyes. She would stop me after every tooth cleaning, her body overheating, and her breath shallow from the fear. She desperately needed a moment to catch her breath and talk to me, to reassure herself that she could do this. We took it step by step, talking through each stage of the procedure. I'd explain what I was doing, showing her the tools I was using, and making sure she felt comfortable with the pace. It wasn't easy, but I knew we were making progress. As the minutes turned into an hour, I could see Sarah's confidence growing. She started to realize that it wasn't as painful or terrifying as she had imagined. It was a turning point for her. At the end of the procedure, she looked at me, her eyes filled with gratitude. "It wasn't painful at all," she said, her voice shaky but triumphant. I smiled and told her that she had done wonderfully. It was a victory not just for her but for me as well. I knew that I had helped her overcome her fear, and I was committed to continuing this journey with her. So, if you're like Sarah and you fear the dentist, know that you're in the right place. We can work through this together. Please subscribe to my channel, and together, we'll conquer this fear. I will give you several types of how to overcome fear and come to the dentist. This story reflects the journey of overcoming dental anxiety and the importance of patient-dentist collaboration.